Y'all, I've been waiting for this to come in. Lord Almighty. It's the remote control spotlight. It's 5,000 lumens. And y'all, it's nice. 360 degrees, 120 vertically. And it ain't that big. The base is 6.8 and top 7.2 inches and across 7.9 inches. And it's 7.5 inches tall. But it's 12 volt. But y'all, because everybody's got their own ideas about what they need on the trail and all that good stuff. And in my opinion, you need to have a searchlight because there's been many times where we got a whole bunch of lights on the Jeeps, but it ain't never exactly where we need it. So I think it'll be a big plus for it. But y'all, let's see. You get your remote. And it also, when you get done using it, it's got an automatic reset on it. And you get hardware with it too on the bottom. It's magnetic. So if you got a metal roof or wherever you need to put it at, the metal is just be perfect for it. But it's got the rubber on the bottom. But y'all, that's nice. Take that stuff off. Y'all gotta see that. That's really nice. I really like that. And like I say, everybody has their own opinion what you should have and shouldn't have, and what you should buy and what you shouldn't buy. And everybody grown, they make their own decisions what they want, what they don't want. But I always worry about the safety part of it, and maybe that's because of the job that I do. That's one of the biggest things is you always have to think about the safety of everything. But I already got the power supply ready, and we're gonna play with this thing and see how she does. Oh, see, help if I turn power on, wouldn't it? Ooh, wait, let's turn it around. Turn around here. That is too cool, y'all. Goes up and down 120 degrees. Y'all, that is too cool. You know, I'm really curious what it looks like outside, though. So, you know what? I'll be right back because we're going outside and we're gonna take a gander at her out there and see what she does. But see how she automatically resets? She resets back to the place where you got it mounted at when you turn it off. And we'll see how far the remote will go to real quick. It's cold outside, but we're gonna do it. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we got it set up on the Jeep. We're gonna turn it on. Let's turn it around. Let's turn it up a little bit. See if we can look up in some trees. There we go, y'all. That's pretty bright, y'all. I really like that. Look over there. Let's see how far we can get from it and still work it with the. Look at that, y'all. How bright that thing is. That is freaking amazing. and it's over there. We're probably about, I don't know, 25, 30 yards from it, about 25 yards from it. Yo, that is too awesome. That's from Partsam. Let's see how much further. Let's see if we can go on over here. Look at that, y'all. Smoke's still working. All right, y'all. I'm across the yard here, and it's still working just right. Like, you see it moving over there. Look at it over there. Look at that. That's behind the neighbor's houses over there. Tell me that ain't cool. See, there we go again over there. Y'all, Partsam knocked it out of the park. Awesome spotlight, y'all, and we're going to be doing a lot more videos with it because it needs a lot of justice. That thing is bad to the bone, I guarantee you. But y'all, need a spotlight, need to be remote, and you can also hardwire it. You don't have to use the burrow connection. You can always hardwire it where you need it. So y'all, drop down there in the link, grab yours, and you'll be happy. Y'all have a good night. Don't let folks get on your nerves too bad.